Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Ffmpeg for Audacity on your Windows PC. This is essential if you want to import and export a wider range of audio formats in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity application on your computer. Once the program launches and you can see your main workspace, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar with several options. Click on Edit to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Preferences from the list. This will open a new window where you can adjust various settings for Audacity. On the Preferences window, look at the left sidebar where you'll find different categories. Click on Libraries. This section is specifically designed to manage external libraries and codecs that Audacity can use to expand its functionality. Here you'll see the Ffmpeg library option listed. Right beside it, you'll notice a download button. Go ahead and click on this button to proceed. After clicking, your default web browser will automatically open and take you to the Ffmpeg download page. Once the page loads, look for the first hyperlink on the page and click on it. This will direct you to the download options for different operating systems. On this new page, look for the 64-bit Windows option. Right beside it, you'll see another hyperlink. Click on this hyperlink to begin downloading the Ffmpeg installer. This will start the download process, and depending on your internet speed, it should only take a few seconds to complete. Once the download finishes, navigate to the upper right corner of your browser window. Click on the download button to view your recent downloads, then click Open to launch the Ffmpeg installer you just downloaded. When you click Open, a user account control window will appear on your screen. This is a standard Windows security feature asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to allow the installer to proceed. The Ffmpeg setup wizard will now open. On the first screen, you'll see the license agreement. Click I accept the agreement to continue with the installation. This indicates that you agree to the terms and conditions of using Ffmpeg. After accepting the agreement, click Next to move forward with the installation process. On the following screen, you'll be shown the destination folder where Ffmpeg will be installed. Simply click Next again to proceed with the default location. On the next screen, click Install to begin the actual installation process. The installer will now copy all necessary files to your computer. Give it a few seconds to complete the installation. During this time, you'll see a progress bar indicating how much of the installation is finished, and that's it. You've successfully installed Ffmpeg for Audacity, and now you can work with a much wider variety of audio formats, including MP3, AAC, and many others. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.